Jamaican musician and producer Freddie McGregor has inked a new deal with American music company Warner Chappell Music. The deal covers worldwide publishing for McGregor, whose career spans 6 decades with the ska, rocksteady, and reggae genres. The Big Ship artist and founder now joins his son Stephen DeGenius McGregor at the music company. Freddie McGregor is currently working on a new album and recently released the singles Don't Tell Me No, a collaboration with Colombian reggae infusion rock band Locos Por Juana, and Jah Is On My Mind. Now, Freddie McGregor, who founded the Big Ship label back in 1983, has produced songs for popular dancehall icons, including Papa San, Lieutenant Stitchie, Tiger, among a slew of others. Popular social media platform Instagram now has the music feature available to Jamaicans. Since the feature was launched in 2018, it has not been available to Jamaicans due to music licensing restrictions. Now, music and video with the feature will no longer be restricted in the island. The music feature was released to Instagram users on Jamaica yesterday. The licensed music section currently boasts a list of dancehall and reggae artists, including Supercat, Bob Marley, Coffee, Chronix, Buju Banton, Spice, Shaggy, among others. Social media users have been reacting positively to the new update. I am Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.